नमस्कार। अभी मैं फेसबुक लाइव पे था, लेकिन बड़ा एक इंपॉर्टेंट बात मिस कर दिया जो मैंने। बिल गेट्स, वन ऑफ द टॉप मोस्ट रिच पर्सन्स आफ्टर अमेजोन। अब तो अमेजोन हैज टेकन ओवर। ही वाज द रिचेस्ट मैन इन द वर्ल्ड। ही इज द फाउंडर ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कंपनी। इन्होंने लिखा है आज कि दिस इज लाइक ए वर्ल्ड वॉर एक्सेप्ट वी आर ऑल ऑन द सेम साइड। So, whether it is a biological war, Bill Gates on Thursday compared COVID-19 to World War II and said it's impossible to overstate the pain that will be felt for years to come. The billionaire philanthropist detailed how the first modern pandemic will define a generation in the lengthy memo posted online. He wrote, "This is like a world war, except in this case we are all on the same side. It is impossible to overstate the pain. Microsoft co-founder Gates and his wife Melinda have already donated 45 billion towards vaccination research and tackle this." सो दिस इज सिचुएशन जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं। और एक बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बात है कि वैक्सीन हैज कम और विल कम वेरी सून। ब्रिटिश ऑक्सफोर्ड में अ माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट हैज become the first human to be injected for the trial phase of vaccine in the UK against the COVID-19 being developed by a group of scientists at Oxford University of Oxford. The name is Eliza Granito is the first volunteer in the initial group of 800 to be part of groundbreaking trial, which is hoped will be ready answer for immunization against the deadly virus. I am scientist, so I want to try to support the scientific process wherever I can. Since I don't study viruses, I feel a bit useless these days. So I felt like this is very easy for me to support the cause. Granito said as she was injected in Oxford, where the trial began. She was injected on 32nd birthday on Thursday. Granito is joined by cancer researcher Edward O'Neill for the first two candidates, one of whom has been injected with the vaccine being trailed and the other is a control vaccine. They will now be monitored for 48 hours to observe the impact of each. Scientists will then gradually start injecting further volunteers, healthy people aged between 18 and 55 in a similar half and half process, with none of the participants aware being which vaccine they have been injected with. Professor Andrew Pollard, director of Oxford Vaccine Group, who is leading the trial, said, "We are changing the end of this current epidemic wave. If we don't catch that, we won't be able to tell whether the vaccine works in the next few months. But we do expect that there will be more cases in the future because the virus has not gone away." The researchers began screening healthy volunteers in March. So just to give you a little more, the virologist herself has come out कि मैं volunteer हूँ, वैक्सीन मुझे लगा के देखिए टेस्टिंग के लिए। एनिमल ट्रायल्स हो चुके हैं। ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी इज द फर्स्ट यूनिवर्सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड which has started the human trial. There are many vaccines which have been developed against COVID-19. At least 5 or 7 I know. लेकिन उन्होंने ह्यूमन ट्रायल अभी शुरू नहीं किया है. For that you have to have a ethics committee, guidelines, the government support, the money and everything. So the Oxford University is the first to start the human trial, and the lady who has had a first injection, अब ये इंजेक्शन देते हैं 48 घंटे तक चेक करते हैं कि उसको कोई दिक्कत आती है कि नहीं आती है, whether she becomes immunity. The name is Eliza, Dr. Eliza Granito. So we give a great salute to her. She said, I am the first volunteer. It's not easy to find volunteer to get the vaccine tested because of the complication which might happen. Thank you very much, Dr. Vivek Gupta from Apollo Hospital, Delhi on 28th of April, telling about how Bill Gates says it's a world war. But everybody is on one side. And secondly, the vaccine trial has started. Thank you very much.